Hey guys, it's Akarsh, and today we'll be talking about we'll be building our first hardware project for Mindstorms. And this is for the Medium Motor. And as you can see, I am on the home page of the Mindstorms app. And what we want to do first is we want to go to software and download bricks so that we can use it when we're doing our hardware. So now that I'm on the main part, I want to go to Open Recent and you can see all my projects, and this is why I named my project Medium Motor beforehand so that I know which project to click on. So now we're just gonna click on Medium Motor. It will take us to the project and it will show us our small but very effective code. And as you can also see on the bottom right, there's nothing there yet, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be plugging in my USB to the brain and to the computer. And once that's done, it should show up on the bottom right. And it should show up any second now. Yeah, it's right there. EB3, that's the brick name, and it shows everything. So now what we're going to do is we're going to shimmy down to the right arrow right there, and we're going to click download. What that does is it basically just transfers the software onto the brain. And now that we've done that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and we're gonna work on the hardware part of this. So I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so now we're gonna be doing the hardware part of this project, and we have already uploaded the software onto the brick, and I'm just gonna take out the USB and show you guys. So, oops. Alright, so yeah, it starts off as program, and what you have to do is you have to click this button, which is the right button once. And once that happens, you should see the medium motor right on top. So now that's done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the medium motor and everything. So I'm just gonna make this real simple. We're just gonna take the medium motor and then take like any axle piece, anything, just plug it into this red. Oh, that's nice. Just a second. Alright. Collateral damage. Okay, so now as you can see, I have this plugged into this red triangle, red thing, the red motor part. So you want it to be plugged in the red one and not the other gray ones, because the red one's the only one that's gonna move. And now what you want to do is you want to take any piece like this. I'm just adding this because when the motor is actually gonna turn, it's gonna be hard to see the axle turn itself. So having something which has which is kind of like big and you can like see turn, like I can do this and do that, it'll just be easier to see the medium motor turning. So that is why I would really recommend adding that. Now once we've done that, we're gonna add these cables, one to the end of the medium motor and the second one. This is a really important part. So if you look at your project, at my project, the top right of each brick, it says A. So I'm gonna plug it in to this A right here. And you have to plug it into whichever port it says you have to plug it into. And you can always change it on the brick itself, so on the code itself, so that it corresponds to your hardware. But the reason that you should have the code correspond to the brick is because of the fact that each different slot sends different code. Like there's 1 to 4 or A to D. So each different slot sends a different code to each different motor or whatever you have. And it's really important that when you're building everything, you have the correct slots, because if you send some information from B, and let's say it's for the drive chain motors, but you have them on A, and then for B you have a medium motor, it won't work out. It might just crash or something. So you just really want to have the same letter. Like over here I have A, and on the code I have A. So now that we've done that, we should be able to successfully run our code. And this is just me trying it first time, so I don't know. And I'm just gonna show you what happens. So I'm just gonna click medium motor and then go down and click medium motor, the play button. And then as you can see, it successfully worked. So it went slower the first time it went slower, and then the second time it increases speed, and it just, I won't say it looks amazing because it's kind of basic, but I'm just happy that I got it to work first try. So that's all it does, and yeah. So now that we've done that, we're gonna work on the other motors. So next time we are gonna work on this touch sensor. But the thing with the touch sensor is that it's really weird working by itself. So we'll see how to do this. We'll see how to do this. But yeah, that's basically all, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.